Ready to upgrade your ride with the best car stereos of 2025? Whether you're chasing crystal-clear sound quality, seamless Android Auto integration, or a sleek system for your subwoofers, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into the top car stereo systems that will transform your driving experience, combining innovation, style, and performance. Perfect for music lovers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone searching for the ultimate in-car entertainment. Stay tuned as we review the hottest models, their standout features, and what makes them worth your investment. Don't forget to check the description for product links, subscribe for more expert reviews, and hit that bell icon for updates. Let's get started. If you're searching for a versatile and user-friendly upgrade for your vehicle, this 7-inch HD portable Apple CarPlay screen is a standout option among the best car stereos of 2025. Its wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration make connecting your smartphone seamless, allowing access to navigation, music, and calls with voice control for a truly hands-free experience. The vibrant HD touchscreen offers a sharp display, perfect for GPS navigation, and the integrated backup camera enhances safety with a clear rear-view image. The Bluetooth connectivity ensures smooth audio streaming and calls, while the Mirror Link feature provides added flexibility to project your phone screen. Installation is simple and suitable for all vehicles, making it a hassle-free solution for those seeking advanced technology without modifying their car's interior. Whether you're using it for daily commutes or long road trips, this system delivers reliability and ease of use. With its impressive functionality and sleek design, this portable stereo ensures you enjoy premium sound quality and convenience. Don't miss out on this game changer. It's an excellent addition to any car audio setup. This 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen combines advanced tech and a sleek design, earning its place among the best car stereos of 2025. Its standout feature is the integration of a 4K dashcam and 1080p backup camera, offering clear visuals to improve driving safety. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility ensure easy access to navigation, music, and calls without cables. The large touchscreen is intuitive, making controls straightforward, while the Mirror Link feature and Bluetooth connectivity add to its versatility. GPS navigation is accurate and responsive, a must-have for road trips. What sets this car stereo apart is the crisp 4K dashcam, which provides reliable footage for peace of mind. Additionally, the voice control feature lets you keep your focus on the road. Installation is simple, making it a great fit for any car. Whether you're an audiophile or someone prioritizing safety, this stereo delivers an all-in-one solution. Packed with features and offering a premium experience, it's a worthy investment for 2025. Compact yet powerful, this 7-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen is ideal for those seeking advanced features in a portable design. With Bluetooth 5.2 for flawless connectivity, a backup camera for added safety, and an FM transmitter for enhanced audio compatibility, it's one of the best car stereos of 2025. The HD touchscreen offers excellent clarity, perfect for navigation, Mirror Link functionality, and controlling your favorite apps. It fits any vehicle, making installation a breeze. The included AUX and FM transmitter ensure compatibility with your car's existing audio system. This system is designed for simplicity and performance, offering exceptional convenience and functionality. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or exploring the latest technology, this stereo delivers a premium experience. The PLZ 7-inch wireless double-din car stereo is a feature-packed option that stands out among the best car stereos of 2025. Its wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration enable seamless access to navigation, calls, music, and messaging, ensuring a connected and safe driving experience. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, this system offers enhanced connectivity for streaming music and handling hands-free calls. The 240W 4.2 channel audio output with dual subwoofer support ensures a rich and immersive sound experience, making it perfect for audiophiles. The high-definition touchscreen provides excellent clarity for navigation and media control, while the backup camera enhances parking safety. With built-in FM/AM functionality and steering wheel control (SWC) support, this stereo is both practical and versatile. The double-din design ensures compatibility with most modern vehicles, and its straightforward installation process is a bonus. Whether you're upgrading your current system or installing one for the first time, this stereo combines advanced features with user-friendly operation, delivering exceptional value. This 9-inch portable wireless CarPlay screen redefines convenience and functionality, solidifying its place among the best car stereos of 2025. The large HD screen provides crisp visuals, making navigation, media playback, and app usage seamless. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can easily connect your smartphone for hands-free control. The integrated 4K dash cam captures clear, reliable footage, while the 1080p backup camera enhances parking safety. GPS navigation is fast and accurate, ensuring you stay on track during road trips or daily commutes. This car stereo also features MirrorLink, Bluetooth, FM, and Siri compatibility, delivering a complete entertainment and connectivity solution. Its portable design ensures universal vehicle compatibility, and setup is hassle-free. Whether you prioritize safety, sound quality, or modern functionality, this car stereo is a fantastic choice for 2025. If you're seeking a premium upgrade, the 10.26-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen is a top-tier option among the best car stereos of 2025. Its expansive HD touchscreen offers an intuitive interface for navigation, calls, and media. The built-in 4K dashcam and 1080p backup camera enhance safety, providing crystal-clear visuals for both recording and reversing. AirPlay compatibility adds a unique touch, allowing seamless mirroring of your iOS devices for an enhanced in-car experience. GPS navigation is responsive and reliable, making it perfect for long trips. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto features ensure easy access to essential apps without the hassle of cables. With its sleek design, advanced features, and compatibility across various vehicles, this stereo is a perfect blend of form and function. It's an excellent choice for drivers looking for cutting-edge tech and top-notch performance. This 9-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen is an all-in-one solution that earns its spot among the best car stereos of 2025. Featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it ensures seamless connectivity to your smartphone for hands-free control of apps, music, and navigation. The integrated 4K dashcam delivers sharp, high-quality recordings, while the 1080p backup camera enhances safety during parking. The HD touchscreen offers vibrant visuals and an intuitive interface for easy operation. Additional features like MirrorLink, Bluetooth, FM radio, and Siri compatibility make this stereo a comprehensive entertainment and connectivity hub. GPS navigation is accurate and user-friendly, ideal for both city drives and road trips. Its portable design ensures it fits almost any vehicle without extensive installation requirements, making it a versatile choice for drivers seeking simplicity and functionality. This stereo is a smart investment for a safer and more enjoyable driving experience.